Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow veg step by step. Start by gathering vegetables, marshmallows, butter, salt, pepper, and a baking dish, then preheat the oven to a moderate temperature. Chop vegetables uniformly, parboil until just tender, and drain thoroughly so they roast instead of steaming. Toss with melted butter and seasonings, layer in a casserole, top with marshmallows, and bake until golden and bubbling. Gather ingredients and prep before you start to make the process smooth and stress-free. Chop the vegetables to similar sizes so everything cooks evenly, then parboil briefly to remove raw bite without fully cooking. Drain the vegetables well and toss with melted butter and spices so the flavors adhere. Prepare 1 to 2 cups of marshmallows, depending on your sweetness preference, and have a greased casserole ready. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes you love. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride when you head to the store for ingredients. I find a nice scent keeps the kitchen vibes happy too. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the prepared vegetables into a greased dish, pressing them into an even layer for consistent browning. Scatter marshmallows across the top, aiming for coverage without overcrowding, then bake until marshmallows turn golden and vegetables are fully tender when pierced. Remove from the oven and allow the dish to rest for about 5 minutes so the melted marshmallow settles and the casserole firms slightly. Serve warm as a comforting sweet savory side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.